Okay, Topps Triple Thread 2009. Pack 1. Base cards. Number 2 of 25. Knowshon Moreno. Triple swatch. Very nice. Base Tony Romo. Matt Hasselbeck. Okay, that's pack 1. Pack 2. Marion Barber, base. Carson Palmer, base. Tony Romo. Very nice. Glen Coffee, number 3 of 30. Autograph swatch. Nice auto. Once again, number 3 of 30. Rookie card. Tony Gonzalez, DeMarcus Ware, both base cards. So our 2 hits in this pack is a 3 of number 30. Autograph. Nice jersey there. Got some stitching. Auto. And a Knowshon Moreno 2 of 25. Triple swatch. Very nice.